But I like the fabric on this better because it's a bit... See, I told you it was windy. Hello there, I hope you're well. It strikes me that I've used this chair an awful lot when I've been out camping and kayaking, because that little camping chair that I got, that's a nice little winner too that Roadkill Rob's decided to hog. And today I'm out kayaking and cooking by the riverbank, and yeah, I've brought this along. And as I say, it strikes me that I've never told you how good I think this thing is. It's by KAMUI. As you can see, there's some branding on here, but it's just so portable and lightweight. It's got this nice little mesh pocket on here. Currently got my phone in there and so on. I'll show you what it's like to sit in. Pretty good, huh? Right, let's show you how it assembles and takes apart. So because I've got it assembled, I'll take it apart first. It just hooks over the back here. As you can see, that's just popped off. And the legs just all fold into the centre. And the supports, all the legs and supports just all fold in. You don't have to do it in any particular order. There's a Velcro band, once you've kind of got it wrapped in. I'm making this look difficult, aren't I? It was just because I didn't have that band out. Once you've got it wrapped in, that's that. Into the little bag. Then you just fold this up and roll it up, fold it in half, fold it in half again and roll it up. You don't even have to be that precious about it, it just goes in. How cool is that? Right, there is like a little, some toggles, some like molly toggles on here so you can attach it to a rucksack. Let's just assemble it. So when you take the Velcro off, it starts to automatically almost assemble itself. The little bits start to slot in because they're on elastics, so they just pull in. It's got these great little mud feet on it that stop it sinking into the grass. What you do is you make sure that the pocket is on the right hand side, and then these things you just hook them over, hook it over. Oh, that one's popped off. They are a little bit tight, but not much, but it has to be really. You wouldn't want it slack, would you? And then pop that one over there. That one over there. The last one's always a bit tightest, a little bit harder to get in, but it goes in quite easy. There you go. Job done. One easy portable chair. Just to give you an idea of how big the bag is, that's a half-litre flask, that's a mobile phone. So as you can see, it's not big at all in terms of pack down size. Pretty cool. If you like this little video, by all means give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. Hope you did like it. And if you like what I'm doing on the channel, by all means subscribe. Cost you nothing, just means that you get a notification whenever you open up YouTube, ever I've uploaded another video. How cool is that? Because let's face it, you wouldn't want to miss out, eh? Right, thank you so much for watching. You take care. I'll see you soon.